90% of the disorders that we experience are caused by environmental factors, toxic waters, pollution in the environment. So as a species, we're way underperforming our potential. Hemp is used for bioremediation purposes, and that means it's basically used to clean up toxic soils. And taking that one step further, imagine if you take hemp inside your body.
The green rush is here with hemp. It is totally sustainable. You can grow 3 to 4 crops a year on the same piece of land and not have to let the land rest.
And the best thing about this green rush revolution is it's all based on a natural plant that grows from the ground. It's a part of our history, and wouldn't we love to have this transformation happen in our country?
There's really a revolution going on out there that people around the country are really waking up and saying that there's some great benefit here.
The cannabis industry is the most rapid growth industry in the country, and there is no question.
I think if we can do this one plant, I believe single-handedly has the ability to totally revitalize the economy in America.
There are a tremendous amount of industries that are just waiting for us to be able to grow hemp here in the U.S. And with the American entrepreneurial spirit, I believe this could really foster a revolution in our economy. I think one of the interesting things is that we're really the first publicly traded company in our space, including industrial hemp and medical marijuana.
Medical Marijuana Inc. pioneered an unprecedented national, international hemp oil pipeline into all 50 states for the first time ever.
Well, I think diversification is the key to success. I think that's one of the great things that we have here. We have a diversified portfolio of nutraceutical companies that sell our products, and then we also have pharmaceutical companies that are working with clinical development.
Hopefully we can intervene in the process of late-stage neurodegeneration.
MJNA Life Sciences is a early-stage biomedical company that has the ability to use the U.S. government's patent on the therapeutic use of cannabinoids.
The area that we're focused on is called neuroprotection, protecting the brain and protecting brain cells.
Axiom Biotechnology is a novel biotechnology company which is involved in the pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, phytoplant botanical, and alternative energy sources procured from industrial hemp.
There are many great benefits to hemp, and Axiom is really in the forefront of many of these new technologies. HempMeds is a sales organization that has the ability to sell our hemp-based products.
RSHO, or Real Scientific Hemp Oil, the flagship product of Medical Marijuana Inc., is making global headlines, and not only making global headlines, but changing laws around the world. Dixie is the biggest brand in cannabis, and HempMeds is proud to have taken over Dixie Botanicals as the brand sold right alongside RSHO.
Canaway is a multi-level marketing company. It has a different approach than our traditional marketing methods, but it's a great way for people just to relate the benefits of CBD to others around the globe.
I think our biggest responsibility is that of education. We're a movement with a purpose. We have a purpose to not only educate America, but to bring people to the awareness of what we're doing.
We provide security solutions to the cannabis industry, and that is all things security. And to have this thing opening up state after state after state, we're right out there in front. There is no better time, and we will never see a time like this in our lives again. There's no better time than right now to get involved in the cannabis industry.
Quite honestly, I'm such a lucky individual at my age to have recaptured as much life and vitality as I have. And if I could do that for just one other individual on this planet, give them that hope, that makes all the good effort that we do, the late hours that we work, makes it all worthwhile.